Welcome back. Here we are in the wilderness.
I wanted to check out what they got there. You don't know on the horizon what is real. There's never bad weather. There's only the right clothing.
My chef Christophe.
If you don't know by now, we are Christophe and Diane. We have a taste for adventure. And this is Soul Tonic Life. Join us as we journey to uncharted corners through dramatic landscapes and into the heart of the wild. Along the way, we forge new friendships, chase magical wildlife encounters, and soak in sunsets from the most remote corners of the world. We push the boat out, sometimes literally, but always with the spirit of fun.
You know what? We just watched the border.
And we're taking you, our favorite tribe, along for the ride. If this speaks to your soul, hit play and start binge watching. The adventure begins now. We got a Rasta man. We feel his vibrations. He's been really cool. What's your name? How big is your donkey?
This is a big donkey.
gaan julle? And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your
Support.
subscriptions.
We feel the love. And it's a free way to support us.